Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're gonna see how we can lock and unlock PDF files for free without using any kind of complicated software. So for this we have to go to the website called ilovepdf.com, and here we have the option called Protect PDF. This is used to lock on PDF with password. And also we have the option called Unlock PDF. So this option is used to remove the password of one PDF file. So first of all we're gonna protect one PDF with password, and here we have one sample PDF file. So we have to drag and drop the PDF file, and here we have to provide the password. So we're gonna use the password sample123, and we have to repeat the password and then click on Protect PDF. Now this will add the password to the PDF and we get to download the protected PDF file. And you can see if we try to open the PDF file, now it is asking for password, so we have to provide the password sample123. Now to unlock the PDF file we have to click on Unlock PDF, and here we have to drag and drop the password protected PDF file and then click on Unlock PDF. Now it is trying to remove the password from our PDF file, and here we have to provide the password of the PDF file to remove the password and click on Send. And now we get to download the unlocked PDF file, and you can see the sample PDF file is now unlocked. So this is the way we can lock and unlock our PDF files for free. So hope this video was helpful to you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.